I was just messing with you.
If your fenders disappear, I ain't even gonna try.
I can only go this deep.
Yeah, that's about a foot further than I can.
So that's where my engine intake is under my gauges.
I thought it was up here.
No, that's for the belt.
The belt?
Yeah. So it's half-ass snorkeled.
What's up?
You went through that one? This one?
This right here.
You did? Oh, okay. Just making sure.
Did you go?
Yeah. That's why I was asking. I got it on video, so hey. Video evidence. Oh, he'll walk it. He'll get it to go.
Yeah.
But that defeats the fun part farming. You know?
Right.
Plus, this thing would just sink to the bottom. This thing's a pig, dude. It's heavy as hell.
Like 1,500?
1,000.
Really? Man.
And I'm 400, so 1,400. It's going to the bottom.
Yeah. Shit, mine's 1,000, right under 1,100 dry.
Whenever I started creeping it, like a Honda creeps, I started going through deeper shit than when I pin it.
Yeah?
When I pin it, I just sink.
Oh, man.
You know, when I creep, I just kind of chug along.
Top, yeah.
Yeah.
And then the hole I got stuck in blew my primary. I learned the lesson that way. Don't hit anything fast, because then you build all that water resistance.
Yeah.
You come through it, you creep like you say. That's how you get it.
He gonna need help now.
He almost made it.
It's always when you get to that exit. Talkative. Almost.
Got too thick for me. I got it. Go ahead, pull forward.
Holy shit. I'm off in a hole.
Oh.
Got it?
Thank you, sir.
God damn. Foreman. Hell yeah. God damn, what size tires?
30s.
That don't look like 30s. I'm gonna get you back.
You got this. Yeah, get me back.
I don't want anybody to be behind you.
Well, you already know I won't get mad when you get me back. So we're good.
You already know I ain't gonna get you back.
You can.
stopped. The guy in the front has stopped. Yeah. Killed on him? Blue? Killed on him or you shut it off?
I don't know. Oh, did it just turn off? What happened? I mean, shut off on him. Yeah, it's dry. It's so good. Oh, yeah. Alright, we need to figure out.
To the bottom of his ass.
I was going slow.
Oh, we can make it.
Yeah, we've been doing this.
Stay to the left.
What about to stop, guys? We about to stop that too.
They need to stay to the left.
Yeah, I think the left is for shallow. Yeah, crank.
See where that shallow exit is? Yeah.
Hey, I tell you, that seat I built for her on the back is just right to lay back and water.
There you go.
Just water with it. Look, put your butt right here. You walk straight across. Okay, I'll even walk with you. I'll walk right beside you. If you want to try it, put enough butt back. It's drowned out. Something got wet.
For the computer to take all the limiters off.
Yeah. I don't need all that.
It's scary, dude. Fastest I got it so far was 77, but with these tires on, you start.
Oh yeah, I imagine. You only got probably that much tread on the ground.
Well, that and they're only 7 pounds of pressure.
Yeah.
So you get going that fast, the centrifugal force makes them collapse.
He don't even have a snorkel. I said, yeah, he does.
Well, this is for the belt. The one intake for my engine is under my gauges.
Oh, it's still right there?
Yeah. So I can go about that deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's half-ass snorkel.
Half-ass.
But you just water wheel it. Oh, sorry, wrong dog. I was thinking that was Trey.